Hi. Hi. I don't like F40s. What do you mean? Literally, like, that's rude. Well, so, I just don't like them. Well, that's just rude. You can't say that. You shouldn't. Oh, really? Yeah. Who's gonna stop me? Who? I believe what he's saying. I have no idea what he's saying. He just said he has no idea what you say. Well, anyway, so if you would actually, stick with me, I'd understand you. I'd understand you. Don't talk like that. Something's gonna happen. Oh, really? Yeah. Tell me what. Look. Wait, what? What do you mean,
PH gang
coming through!